Hello, I am Suhail Harun in grade 10. Today, my friends and I will introduce you about plants using a specific experiment to identify the importance of a natural and indispensable source for the photosynthesis in plants. First, let's talk about plants in general. Plants are one of the most essential things in life. It produces enough oxygen that helps humans to survive. Moreover, plants use some sources that are used during photosynthesis. To add more, they remove carbon dioxide during a process called photosynthesis, which is a critical process for a green plant's life. In this project, we made an experiment. The main purpose behind this experiment is to identify the importance of water for photosynthesis. In this experiment also, there is a problem that we are going to discuss and explain. And the following problem is, what is the importance of water for photosynthesis?
Hypothesis. A hypothesis is used in experiments to help scientists focus on a variable and validate it. In this hypothesis, we stated the importance of water and its relation to the process of photosynthesis. In literature review, we explained the importance of water to a green plant and how beneficial water is for it. Also, how detrimental not watering a plant can be. Methodology. For the sample, we got two Chinese plants and named them A and B respectively. We validated the experiments by observing the color of the leaves of each plant. The experiment has been repeated 2 times on 2 plants to provide accurate results. The tools that were used in this experiments are two Chinese plants, two pots of the same size, bottle of water, and sand to place in the pot.
In this experiment, there are three main variables. First, the dependent variable. The dependent variable is what you measure in the experiment and what is affected during the experiment. The dependent variable in this experiment is water. Second, the controlled variables. The controlled variables are the variables which the researcher holds constant during an experiment. The controlled variables in this experiment are sunlight, mineral salts, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. Third, the independent variables. The independent variables are the variables that are changed or controlled in a scientific experiment to test the effects on the dependent variable. The independent variables in this experiment are sunlight, mineral salts, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. Next, we followed a certain procedure or steps to do this experiment. First, the plants are placed in the same room and get sunlight from the same window. Second, one is watered every day while the other doesn't get watered. Third, take a picture every day for 4 days. Fourth, observe the difference. The results of the experiment are presented in the following table. This table shows the health of plant A and B as a function of time. Plant A remained healthy for 4 days while plant 2 started decaying after day 1.
Interpretation of the results. It is observable during day 1 to 4 that plant 1, which has been watered daily, remained healthy, while dehydrated plant 2 was starting to decay. As for the conclusion, this presents the importance of water for plant survival conclusively. As for the recommendations, it is recommended for this experiment to leave plants for 2 weeks to observe accurate results and signs of the decay of the plant. And here are the references. Thank you so much.